Christmas into Carnival on Foodie and Friends.
Yes.
Couple joke.
Well done.
And we do make joke because when we swing into Carnival mode, it's a kind of seriousness. And serious brethren just drop by.
That's right.
Like my brother here.
Our brother here, ladies and gentlemen.
He's just make me feel to go in my backyard.
Yes. That's lying, man.
Every time I see him, I just
And
feel
drink.
I just go in my backyard and pour a drink. That's what I just feel when I see him.
For real.
Big people thing.
Big people business.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only Farmer Nappy.
Thank you very much for having me.
Merry Christmas, my brother.
Season greetings to each and every one. If you are drinking, please have a designated driver.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
You not drinking.
You not drink no
Concentrate.
Oh no, this
So
is
you have
20,
some sorrow
20
at
years.
How many years clean?
20 years next year, Carnival 20 years.
Big
Listen,
respect,
my brother.
Big respect.
I will pour your
some
sorrow.
sorrow for the man.
Bring your glass.
Pour
Yeah,
some
man.
sorrow for the man.
Yeah, man.
And you see we put a nice little cinnamon stick.
I like that, I like that.
Yes,
I like
sir.
that.
Pour it good.
Nice, nice.
I only stick to fall right.
Nice.
Nice in here, man.
The stick
Cheers,
is
my
good,
brother.
yeah.
You like that stick?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
Blessings, brother.
Merry
Blessings.
Christmas.
Only man in it,
The
right?
main thing is never cut off your nose to spoil your face.
Correct,
Dude,
right?
dude. You know the face, as you talk about face, you know the face of carry people? That's safe to say?
Yeah. 100%.
Dexter can't leave you out and no fat.
It's not leaving out. Is the music that I bring
Yeah.
is for big people.
Yes.
Yeah.
And by singing, I have been singing for the past 7 years with Carry People.
7 years already.
7 years, and they hire me because I'm a music, and within these 7 years, I keep going back to producers and I keep going back to say, well, my music is for mature people.
Right.
Carry People is a mature party. You don't see no fight. You don't see no really, only sees happiness.
Right.
And enjoyable
Unity.
people. Big people, not in age, we're talking big people in their mind.
Maturity, yeah.
You know what I mean? And the food, man, is the best.
It really is.
Yeah, it's the best.
It get couple just stamp of approval every time I go there. When I go there, I feel like I
Well,
need to
you don't be cooking, you don't be in front of the stage while you're like, oh my God. Yeah, so you just have a problem.
I don't worry about my food. I know when I go carry people, I don't
Nah,
worry.
nah,
I don't
it's nice,
worry.
it's nice.
It's nice. It's a nice vibe.
And getting into 2023, you
Yeah.
have tons of tracks out already. The old talk. You have one with Tedison John,
Christopher Martin.
Christopher Martin,
You have a
right?
collaboration with him?
Well, honestly, I'm chasing a Grammy Award.
Serious.
Yeah, honestly, I am chasing a Grammy
Put
Award.
out any
Yes,
put out
and
any news.
I'm not taking my music to add nothing to it.
Right.
Just as how you get with roost cone and with doubles and with that, you're getting it just so raw, conga, percussion, rhythm, the whining thing. And I always wanted to do a song with Christopher Martin because I class him as the best of reggae music.
Right.
And also the type of music he sing, he don't disrespect women.
Right.
And we is like girls, you know, the girls music. So years are trying to get him, but I got him, and you know, it was a success. And Tedison John, well, that song was, that is a meaningful song.
It is.
That Tedison John song, that black song.
Oh, serious.
What really happened is the song was written by Vaughn from Grenada.
Yeah.
Vaughn is the man who really Blacks is the man who brought Vaughn to Trinidad.
Okay.
Wow.
Vaughn gave me this song. I had the song put on. I wasn't paying no mind with the song.
Serious.
Tedison called me for a song, let us do a collaboration, and I say, Tedison music is a type of music where he's conscious.
Yes.
I said, this is the song for me and Tedison. I sent it to him. When Tedison did his vocals, well, what happening is, while I on the road, heavy on the road, I come back. Anytime I get song, come back by Kyle Phillips and record my vocals and just leave and go.
Yeah.
I came and record this song, and while driving up the road that day, I say, but wait. Blacks brought Vaughn to Trinidad. Vaughn wrote this song. Tedison does sing with All Stars.
All Stars, yeah.
Right? I and Tedison sing this song. I just sing with All Stars and them in all carry people,
Yeah.
showing all them.
Right.
Yo,
Right.
this is for Blacks.
Yeah.
So we had to do the video, and I called Juice and them never been in a video before.
I saw the video.
And it's true.
I saw the video.
You know, he be pointing out. That's true.
They
That's
never,
true.
they never had a video
That is
before.
true.
And I say, yo,
You
if
dress
God,
up Juice.
you know, if God had to shape this way,
Yeah.
let it be this way.
Right.
Right? Then what happened is I got a phone call from Dexter. We carry people run away. All Stars was playing. So with my mouth again, I started to argue with Dexter and say, I am gonna come and sing and no, I'm being real.
I know, but I just laugh because I know you. I know that's your style. Yeah.
Because when I get my vision, it has to be real.
Yes.
A lot of Dexter.
No,
Hey,
Dexter.
this is farmer.
Yeah,
When farmer talking man, he's talking man.
you see, Dexter.
I'm begging for Dexter.
Dexter is a bigger brother to me.
Right, yeah.
And Dexter is also part of my journey.
Yeah, respect,
Right,
yeah,
being
respect.
that from 2000 I met Dexter, 2014, Liz Montana recommend and say, hey, Dexter gonna give you a full citizen and my first soca in Mocha Dexter give me. And from there,
Straight.
I stay with Dexter.
Right.
So you just only have to buff your family.
Yeah.
Right? And
You could rough him up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, we
will
get the buff.
only entertain.
So what's the book?
What I told him is I will come and carry people and sing, but I am not going to sing this song with me and Tedderson John because Tedderson is not here and I'm not doing it. Dexter and his next partner end up getting a ticket for Tedderson to come down the road because I don't believe in collaboration and you go in and sing it by yourself.
Yeah.
Right.
This year, this Carnival farmer will be doing Girl Like Rain until Christopher Martin come.
Right.
You know what I mean? But that song, Tedderson, I will not sing this song no way if Tedderson is not there.
Because of the blacks.
Because of how he gets his black song, you know what I
Paul's
mean?
reason because singing that with All Stars backing it up. That's
Trust me,
Yes.
I will be in Soca in Mocha. There will be other bands. I was carded to sing with All Stars, and this year I am not in no band, but anyway you see All Stars, you will see Farmer Nappy and Tedderson singing this song.
Before Jay take it down,
In Carry People
in
only.
Carnival, before Jay take it down with the other music, I want to go back to something you said a little bit. Because you said you told Grammy, and you said you're not going to change how
sound.
we portray our music. Now, years ago, I old enough to remember when we were trying to do that.
And it never worked.
And it never worked
No.
because we thought we had to change our sound to adapt to the
For the
international
international
market.
accept. Yeah.
Basically, what you're saying here is that you going after it, but they're going to take
The
it.
best pill out to eat
Yes, it's a Trinidad pill.
is that Trinidad pill out,
Yeah.
not the same day it cook. The next
Next
day.
day, yeah.
And then the bun.
Yes.
People that fight for the bun.
Yes.
Let the Americans and let people taste our bun.
Yeah.
Don't try to put ketchup in it to make them feel good. Let them taste what we like.
Yes. Yeah.
So I am not touching no, you know what I mean? I will mix because the,
You ain't watering down nothing.
the Girl Like Rain to me is calypso, reggae, dancehall. It have everything mixed in it. You know what I mean? And that is our culture. You know what I mean? So Jamaica, Trinidad, that is our culture. But me doing hip hop into my soca music, no disrespect to no other people music. But I take in my music, I want to take my food with my seasoning, not other people's seasoning.
Right.
So if you like it, just put a barcode on it and let's sell it.
Respect
Our way.
our thing.
Don't cut your nose.
To spoil your
Spoil your
face.
face.
Yeah,
Cheers.
respect.
Dexter. For life.
So also that carry people. Any other
I book
major-
up. No, I book
This
up.
way is tell your secrets, you know.
I book up.
You can tell your secrets to Jason and you.
I book up, right? I book up. But here what I want people to understand and be real, right? Is don't wait until an artist have a hit to be booking him up.
Right.
I don't really book on a hit. But when you get a hit, everybody keep calling you and calling you and calling you, right?
Right.
And if they keep calling you, right? Because the next year, if you don't have a hit, they're not gonna call you.
Yeah.
So please respect the artist's money.
Correct.
When they say this is my price, it's either yes or no. Don't try to bid with us because we record, we pay to record, we pay to do our videos, we close everything. I will say something that the male artist might get angry with me, but only I give the female artist a little more money. Because they are here and all them things to do. We could wear jeans for 5 days.
Right.
They have to change it, you know what I mean? So when you work with them,
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Let us, because Carnival, let us don't beat around the bush and start playing games. Our soca music and our artists penetrate the most set of money in this country from December to Ash Wednesday. Right. Stop playing games with artists. Mind all your business before your business do mine all your.
Hey.
Tops, boy, tops. Stop.
Stay with us now.
Yeah,
Stay
man.
with us. We have one more.
One more thing. What you just eat and what you do eat?
I just eat every single thing, right? Except ham and thing for Christmas.
So no ham.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
But I eat all type of meat, wild meat,
That's why
everything.
we ain't bring the ham for you.
No
Yeah,
ham.
yeah,
So
we ain't bring the
you,
ham for you.
so here I want you to stay for the next segment.
Yeah, no
'Cause I'm
problem.
gonna need some help.
No problem.
Right? This segment is a recurring segment that I have little problems executing now. So I'm glad you're here to help me.
I is a union representative
Oh,
here.
that's what we talking about. That's what we talking about. When we come back, ladies and gentlemen,
Coming back!
the segment of all segments to end 2022 with a bang. Don't go a place. Cheers.
Jace and his union representative is here.